In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI chatbot. You know, when you go on a website and you see that little bubble in the bottom right corner, I'm going to show you how to create one. You click on it, it's got a home page, it's got a messages tab, and it's got a help tab with all of your help center articles. And the best part is this is completely free. All right, let's get into it. The website you're going to go to is Apoyo, and you can access it at app.heyapoyo.com. You're going to create your account. You can use your GitHub account, a Discord account, or enter your name and a password. Let's do Mike Smith. We're going to use this email, enter in a password, and hit sign up. All new accounts go to the onboarding phase. So you're going to enter your company name. You're going to pick a brand color. This is going to be the color of your chat widget. You can upload a company logo, a company icon. You're going to set up your agent profile for talking to your visitors. You can set an agent avatar. And then this is where the magic happens. You can provide a link to your website, and the AI chatbot is going to scrape the entire thing so it understands what your business is about. And it's going to use that to answer questions from your visitors. So I'm going to go to my help center, and I'm going to copy this URL, and I'm going to paste it in here and click sync website. After a few seconds, it's going to take you to the dashboard. If this source is linked, that means your AI chatbot can now answer questions about your website. This is the knowledge base section. You can use your website. You can upload any files. You can sync your Notion, your Gitbook, and even your Zendesk. And your AI chatbot can use all of that. In this video, we're going to walk through the left side here under Agent Builder. This is everything to do with your chatbot. So the Behavior tab, this is your system prompt for your AI chatbot. You can create some suggested prompts. I start you off with some basics. And if you go to the Messages tab and create a new message, these are the pills right here. So you can get a user to quickly start a conversation with your bot. You can provide follow-ups to your visitors, capture leads, and even change the language of your bot. In the model tab, you can change your model on a premium plan. Now, everything in this app is completely free. There are some upgrades. We'll talk about that later, but nothing is feature locked. The match threshold slider is how exact a match that your bot needs to have with its knowledge base. So the lower the value, the less strict it's going to be. I recommend keeping it at 0.5 to start, see how it performs. You can change its reasoning effort. Now, a higher reasoning effort is going to take longer to respond. If you want lightning fast responses, keep it at low. And how much do you want your bot to talk? This is the voice mode. So on your chat widget, there is a little phone icon. And clicking this, you can have a voice conversation with your bot. So we offer that completely free as a feature. You can choose the voice here, listen to all of them. And instead of writing out text, your AI chatbot is going to talk. So the context and routing page, you can share the current URL with the bot. So when you install it on your website, if it's on, let's say, your pricing page, the bot will see the pricing page in its message. So it has a better idea of what problems your customers are facing. We also have pre-chat routing options. So we can give the users some button labels. And when they click on those buttons, the AI chatbot has a better idea of what the conversation is going to be about. Now, the appearance tab is customizing the colors and look of your widget and all the text inside. What does it say? The pages tab is the home page here. You can change your greeting. You can change the background, and you can add some home tab blocks. I give you some two basic ones just to have a better idea of how it looks. You can also add a URL, so when they click on it, it goes to a certain page. You can provide some custom FAQs. So if a user asks a specific question, you can give an exact answer reply. For example, what is your pricing? And if a user wrote that exactly, you can get the bot to answer exactly what the pricing is. No mistakes. Triggers is when you want the widget to pop up. Let's say your user is on the pricing page for a total of 10 seconds. You can get the widget to pop up and an automatic message to send, like need help picking a pricing plan. And then finally, embed and install. We give you a full deployment script once you're ready, once you have set it up and tested it, and you can click this to copy and install it on your website. That is just a high-level overview on how to create an AI chatbot. You can literally set this up in 5 minutes or less and install it on your website. This is completely free, no credit card required, no free trial. Add your knowledge base and start talking to your bot immediately. We do have a few premium features if you want to go that route, but it's not necessary, like a better AI model, remove all of the powered by Apoyo watermarks, custom domain and SEO. So you can create a free help center with this app, a free customer feedback form. And if you want a custom domain for that, and then start getting traffic to those pages, this is a good choice for you. And then talking with a voice agent is actually pretty expensive. So you get an upgrade in the amount of minutes you can do that when you pay for the premium plan. And if you like what you're doing here and you want to support the project, we would love to have you on board. We're releasing features very quickly here, and all of this is for $19 a month. Let me talk to my support bot here. Let's go, how does the analytics page work? And my bot read the help doc, and it told me exactly what it is about. There's an analytics dashboard, there's stat cards at the top, tells me about customer feedback and what needs attention, and even if there are any frustrated customers. That's absolutely perfect. A real human didn't have to be standing by, and this visitor got the answer to their question immediately. If you want to try Apoyo for yourself, remember it's completely free. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. All right, I'll see you in the next one.